Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to fix caps lock not working on iPhone. So first, what you'd want to do is open up your settings. But I'm going to show you first out the Notes app. So normally when you type in something like this, when you click on the caps lock button twice, it should display all capital letters, but if you just tap it right here, it will only have one capital letter written on the notes or anywhere. So if you double click it right here, it will just go back to the normal text icon or text size. For you to fix that is go back to your settings app, then just scroll down at general right here, then scroll down again till you see the keyboard option, and make sure that the enable caps lock option is turned on. And to do that, just click on the switch button right here to turn it on. And if you go back to the Notes app and type in anything right here and double click or double tap at the caps lock button on the left side, it will automatically type everything as caps lock. And if I just click at once, it will just type it once. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.